Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Talkback on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, turning off Talkback gives you control over the accessibility features on your device. While Talkback is a valuable tool for users with visual impairments, being able to turn it off allows you to customize your device settings based on your specific needs and preferences. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To exit Talkback mode, begin by swiping your device screen with 2 fingers. Okay, next tap on the settings option and double tap to open it. So you can scroll through the screen using 2 fingers. Then tap on accessibility, so double tap to open it. Okay, from there tap on the Talkback option and double tap to open it. Okay, and now switch off the Talkback mode and then click turn off and double tap it. Okay, so your device Talkback mode is now successfully switched off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Talkback mode on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.